Good morning to one and all. Today you are going to learn trigonometry continuous things only. We already seen two sums. The same thing only we will see now also. Again, let us recall trigonometric identities. Trigonometric identities. First one, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Second one, 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta. Third one, 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosecant square theta. So in this one only again 6 trigonometric identities are coming. So this is very important. So sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. 1 plus tan square theta equal to secant square theta. 1 plus cos square theta equal to cosecant square theta. Next we will see the sums. First sum, prove that sin power 4 theta plus cos power 4 theta is equal to 1 minus 2 sin theta sin square theta into cos square theta. We want to prove this one. Here see sin power 4 theta plus cos power 4 theta. We already this like things we are seen in identities. Nothing but first identity sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. That identity you take solution. We know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. In this one, squaring on both sides because here power 4 coming, that purpose we are squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. So squaring means what will be happen? Sin square theta plus cos square theta whole square is equal to 1 square. So this is a plus b whole square format, expand in a plus b whole square. So instead of here a sin square theta is there, a square means sin power 4 theta, because we already known a power m is equal a power m whole power n is equal to a power mn. This is exponent formula. So according to that one, sin square theta again whole square means 2 into 2 4 coming. So a square plus b square here, cos power 4 theta plus 2ab, 2 into sin square theta into cos square theta, 2 into sin square theta into cos square theta. In right hand side you see 1 square answer is 1 only. Afterwards you want only this sin power 4 theta plus cos power 4 theta, that will only keep it here. Remaining things transpose that side. Sin power 4 theta plus cos power 4 theta is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square theta cos square theta. Already we want to prove this one only. Already came. So hence proved. Fine. Next sum. The same like this only. Second sum. Prove that sin A divided by 1 plus cos A plus 1 plus cos A divided by sin A is equal to 2 cosecant A. How to prove this one? So here see LHS sin A by 1 plus cos A plus 1 plus cos A by sin A. This LHS only more terms are there, RHS only one terms are there. Therefore you take LHS. You take LHS. So LHS you want to take means solution. LHS is equal to which one given? Sin A divided by 1 plus cos A plus 1 plus cos A divided by sin A. This is LHS. So this one you take. Afterwards, in this one you see denominator 1 plus cos A sin A is there. Denominator is not same. Denominator not same means we want to take LCM. That purpose you take here LCM. Here numerator and denominator multiply by sin A. Here numerator and denominator multiply by 1 plus cos A. Finally that LCM will become 1 plus cos A into sin A. That purpose this one just shortcut method. This one cross multiplying this one and this one cross multiplying this one. Finally this one cross multiplying this one. So sin A into sin A, sin square A. In middle plus is there, plus 1 plus cos A into 1 plus cos A, 1 plus cos A whole square. We already know x into x square, same format only, whole divided by 1 plus cos A into sin A, 1 plus cos A into sin A. We got, after you see A plus B whole square format is there, expand that for this terms. Finally expanding means sin square A, instead of A here 1 is there, A square means 1 square, answer is 1. B square is nothing but cos square A plus 2AB, 2 into 1, 2, again B is cos A, so 2 cos A whole divided by 1 plus cos A into sin A. Here see sin square A plus cos square A identity form coming, that is nothing but sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. According to that one we can remove this one, sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. Changing that one using sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. According to that one rule I am applying, here changing, next step is equal to this one is equal to 1, again already 1 there, so 1 plus 1 plus again this one 2 cos theta, sorry 2 cos A. After see 1 plus cos A into denominator 1 plus cos A into sin A. Afterwards next step, so finally 1 plus 1 2, remaining things next step how like it will become, see 2 plus 2 cos A divided by 1 plus cos A into sin A. So 2 is common is there, take outside, taking outside means 2 taken means here one time, here also one time, 1 into cos A whole divided by 1 plus cos A into sin A. So here see 2 is common, taken outside, after this one coming, here 2 is there, here see 2 multiply with this term multiply with this one, so therefore we can able to cancel this one cancel. Finally we are getting 2 divided by sin A. This is nothing but, this implies 2 multiplied with 1 by sin A. We already know the reciprocal formula of 1 by sin A is nothing but cosecant A. Therefore this is equal to 2 into cosecant A, since that is nothing but 1 by sin theta is equal to cosecant theta. Reciprocal formula according to that one, this one came, that is nothing but RHS, hence proved. Okay, fine. Are you understand? Okay, next practice work. Practice work also the same model only I will give. Practice well and come. practice work. First one, prove that substitution 1 tan power 4 theta plus secant power 4 theta is equal to 1 minus 2 1 plus 2 tan power 2 theta into secant power 2 theta. This is substitution 1. Substitution 2, cos A divided by 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A divided by cos A is equal to 2 secant A. Okay, these two sums only practice for you. The same model you try out, you will be get answer perfectly. Okay, thank you.